Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with your program or your folder. You got the error, Windows cannot access the specified device path or file. Let's fix it guys. First of all, the basic solution, you need to make sure the path that you are trying to access is currently available or not. To do this, you just need to right click on the application and select open file location. Now you can able to see the application related files over here. You need to check whether the file is here or not. If not, you keep getting this error guys. And after checking it, close it off here. Now right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select Windows Update. On right side you just need to scroll down and select Windows Insider Program. In here, if you signed up for the Windows Insider program, then you need to leave the Insider program guys by clicking on leave the Insider program. Just click on it and leave it guys. And after doing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to re-register the Windows apps. To do this, you just need to close it up here. Go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now you just need to copy and paste this command in PowerShell and press Enter. This will re-register all the Windows app and help you fix the problem guys. After finishing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to change security settings. To do this, you just need to right click on whatever game or application or folder you're getting this error. You just need to right click on it and select properties. Select security tab. Select edit. In here you can able to see all the user IDs over here. You need to select all the user ID one by one and you just need to check mark full control guys over here. Click on it one by one and you just need to check mark full control. And after doing this, you just need to select apply. Okay. And now you just need to select advanced over here. And now select change. Select advanced. And now select find now. In this list, you just need to find your username of your system guys. In my case, my username is admin. After selecting the username, you just need to select OK. Now select OK again. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now after doing this, go ahead and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.